Hello, this is real estate broker and rehabber Chris Haynes. Today we're going to be reviewing ice dams. As with any home project, remember to consult a qualified professional if you are uncertain on how to do something. Ice damming occurs when snow on a roof melts and then refreezes near the eaves where it's colder. This forms a ridge of ice that acts like a dam. This dam prevents proper drainage and can lead to water backing up under the shingles and leaking inside of a house. The upper part of the roof can be warmer due to heat escaping from the house, which causes snow on it to melt. Ice dams can lead to significant damage if not addressed promptly. The trapped water can seep under shingles. This can cause leaks and water damage to ceilings, walls, and insulation. In extreme cases, it can even damage the structure of the roof. To prevent ice dams, ensure proper attic insulation and ventilation. Adequate insulation helps keep the roof's temperature uniform, which prevents uneven melting. Proper ventilation allows warmer air to escape, minimizing the chances of snow melting and refreezing at the eaves. Heated cables can prevent ice dams from happening if installed before the problem occurs. There are a few methods that can be used to break up ice dams. Use a roof rake to carefully remove snow from the roof, especially after a heavy snowfall. Break up an ice dam carefully so you don't cause damage to the building. Or you can apply calcium chloride or an ice melt product to a dam. Avoid using rock salt as it can damage the roof and harm vegetation. Heated cables can also be used to break up ice dams. If you're unsure about how to handle ice dams or if the damage is extensive, I suggest you seek professional help. Roofing experts can assess the situation and provide effective solutions to prevent further damage. Remember, addressing ice dams promptly and taking preventive measures is crucial to protect your home from potential water damage caused by these winter phenomena. Keep in mind that snowy winter weather poses extra safety hazards when climbing ladders or doing work on a roof. Tell me your thoughts on fixing ice dams below. It would be great to hear how people address this issue. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel.